Sa nangyaring pananalakot dito po sa Sitio Binaybay, Barangay Santa.
This is ABS-CBN Corporation Channel 2, a commercial television station transmitting on a 346.2 kilowatt effective radiated power with permit number BSD-0029-2015, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 2017. Channel 2 transmitter is located at ABS-CBN Broadcast Center, Sergeant Esguerra Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. ABS-CBN Channel 2 operates under the supervision of an electronics and communication engineer duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission, Engineer Bernardo M. Acosta, PEC number 864, and carried out by the following personnel duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Jose Rizalde M. Umipi, Engineer Melvin C. Acosta, Michael D. De La Cruz, Orlando M. Lagarta, Engineer Romulo C. Tataro Jr., Engineer Jason T. Palma, Engineer Ronnie B. Sagad, Engineer Gerson I. Ignacio, Engineer Jose Paulo L. Garibay, Rene O. Agravante. This is ABS-CBN Channel 2, now signing on.
Maraming salamat po sa maraming taon na kami po ay inyong pinatuloy sa inyong mga tahanan. Maraming salamat po sa maraming taon na ating pinagsamahan. Hanggang sa muli, kapamilya.